Hello guys, welcome to KV School Education. Today I am going to explain you the first unit of class 5 and the lesson name is Let's Be Friends. So let's be friends. So here we are requesting, the meaning of the lesson, we are requesting to be our friend. So let us see what is the story. So once upon a time there was a small boy called Hari. So here is a story about the Hari. Here is a story about the Hari. So Hari, he is a small boy. He was stronger and loved to tease all the boys and girls who went to the school with him. So what he is a very small, but he is strong enough, and he used to tease all the boys and girls who went to school with him. So obviously all the friends used to go with a group. So what he used to do, he used to tease. It means he used to hurt others. He used to make joke upon others. So what he loved to do the most was to pinch others. So what he used to do, he used to pinch others. He used to make others to cry. So he could make a big views appear in a half second. What is the meaning of views? Meaning of views. It means injury. It means injury. Means injuring some other friends. So he could make a big injury appear in half second. Means he will not even a second. He will not live even a second. He used to do something to the classmates, his friends. So another trick he played was pricking people with a pin. So what is the meaning of pricking? Making hole. Making hole. So what he used to do? He used to prick with the pin. So what he used to do? He used to prick the people with a pin. He used to make the holes with the pin. So he used to pinch, he used to tease, he used to prick. So you can guess how all the children hated him. So obviously if someone will hurt us, we'll obviously hate them. So he is the Hari. Hari used to do all these things. So all the friends, all the people used to hate him very badly. So they tried to pinching him back, but that was no good because he could always pinch much harder. So also if someone pinched me, I used to pinch them. But here what happened? Hari was more stronger, so he used to pinch more than they do. So he was more stronger. So they used to pinch him, but it was not much appears. So he was much stronger. So it was very harder for them. So it happened that the class went for a picnic to seaside for a whole day. So it is a school premises. So the class went to picnic at the seaside. You know what is the meaning of seaside? It means some kind of beach area. So they went for a picnic. On that day the sun shined bright and all the children were wild with the excitement. So obviously when we used to go picnic, we will get more and more excitement. So obviously they are the students, they have their enjoyment. So they were very excited. They crowded into a train and sat down by. Nobody wanted to sit next to Hari because he always used to pinch. So if we hate someone, we used to go sit beside of them. No, we will hate them and will not at all see them and will not able to sit or beside them. So everyone did the same thing. What they taken their own seats fastly in the train. They are going in the train and they say taken seats fastly. That no one want to sit beside of Hari because he used to pinch, he used to tease. So when they arrived at the seaside, already the children went to the picnic and they arrived at the seaside. Means they reached their destination. All the children jumped out with a shout of joy. So what the children did? They jumped out They were very excited, they were very happy, and they shouted with the joy. Down to stand they raised hand in hand, but nobody took Harry's hand, nobody went near him. So all they were the seaside area is very sandy, and they were raised their hands, they catched their hands, and they sat, they run, they played a lot, but no one catched Harry's hand because he was very irritating. Harry was angry, so obviously if no one is with him, he'll get anger. When he went to an isolated sand corner near a rock pool and sat down by himself. So what he did, he was alone. So he went somewhere, and there was a rocky area, and he sat there, and he was alone. He took out his lunch and looked at it. So he took out his lunch box and he looked around his lunch box. Wow, it's a good lunch. There were 2 hard boiled eggs, 6 jam sandwiches, 3 pieces of bread and butter, a ginger cake, and a bar of chocolate. So what he had in his lunch? So he had 2 hard boiled eggs. Next, 6 jam sandwiches, 3 pieces of bread and butter, a ginger cake, and a bar of chocolate. So these many things he have in his lunch. So he would eat it all by himself. So he'll not share anything with his friends. He'll all eat by himself. He would not offer anything to anyone. So he's not used to give anything to anyone. He'll not share with his friends. He will be alone. He eat all those things at a time. Just as he was beginning with an egg, he heard a hoarse voice near him. Good morning. So at the beginning with an egg, so he started his lunch with the egg. Next he heard a harsh voice near him. What was that? Good morning. I am so pleased to meet a boy like you. So he was very, it was a harsh voice, and he was very pleased to meet a boy like Harry. So Harry turned around and started and stayed in fright. So he was like shocked. Next, Harry saw a monster crab walking sideways out of the pool. So there is a crab. So it is a seaside area. Obviously there will be crabs, there will be claws. Everything we can see insects we can find over there. So he saw a monster crab walking side of the pool. His eyes were on the end of the short stalk, and he looked most unusually. He held out his front claws to Harry. Harry put on his hand to shake the crab claws, but to his surprise and anger, the crab opened his and nipped his hands so hard that the little boy yelled. So what happened? Harry wants to push it away. Means he wanted to move it away, but the monster crab and the stalk was and the claws was very anger upon Harry, because he is trying to hurt them. So the little boy turned, yelled. It means that he was very panicked. Here is my good cousin, said the crab pleasantly, and Harry's horror, he saw a large sandy lobster crawling heavily out of the pool. Before Harry could stop him, the lobster took his hand in a great pinch like claws and pricked it so hard, and they yelled in the pain. So what happened? He wanted to make him very far away. He wanted to make the push the monster crab and the claw very far away from him. But what happened? The monster crab and claw, what they did? They pricked him. They injured him. They pricked him and they injured him. They made injured to the Harry. Then he was held in pain. So what happened? He got more and more pain, and he was very panicked. Do you think here there is a question? Can you see this? Yeah. So what is the question? Do you think anyone came to his help? Do you think anyone came to his help? It means that he have many friends because whole class came to the picnic. Do you think anyone came to his help? No one, because he was very harmful to them. He used to do pranks with them. So no one came to his help because he always hurts them. Harry was so soon black and blue with their pinching and pricking. So what happens? Obviously, Harry was turned into blue and black. It means that he was very panicked, tensed, and he was very lost within himself. So because the crab pinched him and was pricking him, so don't you like it? So here they are asking, don't you like it? So said the crab, said the crab, and the lobster is in surprise. Why we were told you would love to see us because you were a champion pincher and prinker yourself. So what the crab is telling, so the crab is telling that you should get happy by seeing us because you are the champion for pinching and pricker yourself. So he used to do the same thing with his friends now. Now what the monster and lobster did, they pricked and pinched him. So the Harry used to do same thing with their friends. So they are telling that you are champion in the such things now. Then why you are panicked? Harry leapt to his feet and crying loudly. So he was seeing his feet and he was crying loudly because he was hurted. So after saying by these words, he hurted more and more. So his lunch rolled into the pool. So what happened? The lunch also went into the seaside and it was flowed away. And when the crabs and lobsters saw it, they ran into and began to feast eagerly. So what the crabs and lobsters do? They went into the pool and they were excited to see that lunch. Harry saw that they had forgotten him for a time and he turned and ran for his life, tears streaming down his cheeks. So what happened? The lobster and monster crab went, and Harry was very, very sorry for these things. Harry ran and sat near a rock thinking. So Harry went to the rock side and he was started thinking. They only did to me what I keep doing for other children. So he realized that what the monster crab and lobster did, he was thinking that these things I used to do with other children, but how it hurts. So he realized the pain what he does for other children, and how I hated those crabs and lobsters. So he was that I hate those lobsters and monster crabs. So all the children were like, I hate Harry. So these are the mentality of the children. So I suppose the other children hate me too. I shall not pinch and prick anyone anymore. So at last he realized his mistake and he was very sorry for it, and he decided to not to pinch and prick anyone anymore. So this is the story. Here we have much moral in this, that we should not hurt others and we should not sorry for others. We should not do any mistake. We should not do any mistake and we should not let others to do the mistake. Here the story is about let's be friends. So we should be very happy, very cool with our friends. We should not hurt anyone, because the story is giving us much moral to gain more and more grip upon the friendship, the humanity, everything. So this is the story. So I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and like our video. Thank you so much for watching our video.